we're up here in Alaska, and today's a little bit of a project day because it's been raining for the past week or so, and it's supposed to rain for another solid week. So let's just get it started and see where it goes. Goal for today is to fix up chicken coop area a little bit, put these boards in. Hello birds. Put them in over here somewhere. So my idea is to have it go from over here to over here, and possibly a little bit over here to try to block some wind and snow this winter, just so they have a little place to hang out. Well, it's a good start for now. It's a little bit of gaps, but it'll be better than what they had. I got a noisy chicken over there, but I didn't want to go too high because of my light. I could do one more, but they'll be down low, so it doesn't really matter. I'll have to go get a couple more. Got to figure out where to attach it over here, but so far so good. Gonna go hop on my trusty steed with my trusty little sled. It gets me what I need, gets me going, and it ain't perfect, but it's what I got. And here I am over at the majestic pile of shenanigans that I've had, and time to find some good ones. Well, it's not pretty, but it'll do. It gives them a nice little area where it'll be dry, out of the snow, and we can move one of these heat lamps over so they can be all nice and cozy warm and just hang out. Coming to check it out already. It doesn't look too bad. Could have done a little better, but what I got, looks like a really nice setup. What do you think, Hudson? That's Hudson. He's very angry. Doesn't like me in here with all of his girls. Next on the agenda for today is cut down a couple trees behind me. Got to go in the fabled, nicknamed murder barn to go grab the chainsaw. Got, I think, 3 trees back there I need to take down, and then one more somewhere else on the property. So shouldn't be too bad, should be nice and quick. Gonna try and test my drone out again. It's been 2 years since I've flown it, so gonna see if I can make it look pretty or if it's gonna be a complete disaster. So only one way to find out. I think I've said that a couple times already, but yeah, got my trusty steel, whatever, orange brand chainsaw. Gonna cut some things down. Got the trusty steed again, old one headlight, and one there and one there. Gonna try to follow them, probably right in between the brush piles, and we'll get after. That one's still alive. Got one. Did the other. Little baby one, but right. Don't see any dogs. I think we're good. And over. Just like that, I got these 2 trees down. Now for the fun part. So those couple logs turned into a pretty decent pile of wood. So not that terrible. Gonna try and work on that next one right there and keep plugging away. The mosquitoes are back because it's been raining for days. But you know, it's the problem for living in Alaska, you know. Just gotta live in the beauty. Enjoy it while you can before we get stuck with months and months of snow. But just got this little bit to go, and then kind of hopefully try and buck it up before the rain comes tomorrow. But yeah, it's a problem for tomorrow, or yeah, it's a problem for future me. But I don't think you guys want to see another time lapse or anything else, so I'm going to do this on my own and reconvene when I'm done. Well, took a little break for a snack and gonna get started on this. It's about 6 o'clock. Got my handy dandy wood splitter. It makes life a lot easier with having to buck up this wood. Instead of having to swing an axe, I could just use the machine and have it do all the work. And hopefully this will take me about an hour or so. See how many cartloads I can get. Bring it up to the front, drop off on in the wood pile, and get a tarp over it because I don't think I'll be able to cover it today. But good start for today. We got about 3 cords up there already. Hopefully this will make it about 4.5, and we'll keep on plugging along. First load took about, I don't know, maybe 6 minutes, probably 10, and it got a good chunk. So I'm gonna bring this up to the front and see what we come up with, but I think I'll be able to get it done. Well, let's go on that adventure. Well, it's a couple days later. I think 2 days later. I forgot to film an outro to my first real recording video, but got a decent amount of it done. Got about 4 of the sled loads worth, and it just got a little bit too late. Didn't want to bother the neighbors running the machine. Just with a couple days, and a lot of the leaves have already fallen, so not looking forward to winter being right around the corner. I mean, I am, but I'm not. It just means more work to do, but old man winter's right around the corner. The leaves are falling as we speak, so let's have some fun.